Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to solve a problem on LeetCode called concatenate non-zero digits and multiply by sum 2, which is a medium-level problem. I'll break down the solution step by step. So let's get started. So, the problem gives us a string and a set of queries. For each query, we need to extract a substring, remove any zeros, calculate the sum of the remaining digits, and then multiply this sum with the formed number. The result should be taken modulo 10 to the power of 9 plus 7 to avoid overflow. To tackle this problem, let's think of it like a two-step process. First, we extract the substring and remove any zeros, kind of like filtering out unnecessary information from a big dataset. Then, we calculate the sum of the remaining digits and multiply it with the formed number. This is similar to how we would calculate the total cost of items in a shopping cart, where the sum of the prices is multiplied by a tax rate or something. The key here is to understand how to extract the relevant information and then perform the necessary calculations. Now, let's walk through the approach. We start by iterating over each query in the queries array. For each query, we extract the corresponding substring from the string. We then initialize an empty string to store the non-zero digits and a variable to store the sum of these digits. Next, we iterate over the substring, appending non-zero digits to the string and adding them to the sum. Finally, we calculate the answer by converting the string to an integer, multiplying it by the sum, and taking the result modulo 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. Let's take a look at the C++ code. We start with a class solution and a function sum and multiply that takes a string and a 2D vector of queries. We initialize a vector result to store the answers and a modulo value to avoid overflow. Then, we iterate over each query in the queries array. For each query, we initialize an empty string x to store the non-zero digits and a variable sum to store the sum of these digits. We then iterate over the substring from the start index to the end index of the query. If the current character is not 0, we append it to the string x and add its value to the sum. After that, we calculate the answer by converting the string x to an integer using stoy, multiplying it by the sum, and taking the result modulo 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. Finally, we push the answer to the result vector. In terms of time complexity, this solution is O(n) times m, where n is the number of queries and m is the average length of the substring for each query. This is because we iterate over each query and then over the corresponding substring. The space complexity is O(n), where n is the number of queries, because we need to store the answers for each query in the result array. And that's it, guys. That's the solution to the problem. I hope you understood the intuition and the code explanation. If you have any questions or you'd like to share your own approach, please comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment your approach below.